Welcome back to Bodycam Originals. Officers were called to a TSA checkpoint at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport after agents reported concerns about a passport presented by a passenger. Bodycam footage captured the investigation as officers worked to verify the document and the passenger's identity.
How you doing?
Who's the passenger?
So he's been changing his story now. He said he flies all the time, but now he say, "Oh no, I'm just going to arrivals now."
You're just going what?
Now he's going to arrivals to pick up somebody. It's like, but he's like, "No, I travel all the time with that passport." Then now he started getting a little nervous. But there's nothing over here. And you see, this one shouldn't be at all.
That shouldn't be there?
No, at all. We don't even know what is that.
It's like the little address that's circled in the black on that second page. It's the same address on every page. That's not a huge.
Yes. It doesn't have nothing physical.
Hey, get back over here. Come here. Get over here. I'm not done with you. Go. Go over here. Is there would there be any reason for that to be fake?
No.
Do you have your ID on you?
They've already asked me all these questions.
Well, I'm asking you different questions. Can I get your ID?
I don't have a physical ID, sir.
You don't have a physical ID?
No.
Do you have
That's my own ID.
That's your only ID? Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Plano.
Plano? Did you have a Texas ID ever?
I don't drive anymore. I'm not sure.
Okay. What's your first name?
Zeng.
How do you spell that?
Z-E-N.
Z-E-N? I don't have your passport right now because you walked away. Last name?
Yang.
Y-A-N-G?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The culture. I appreciate it.
Huh?
I said a lot of cops can't spell that, so I appreciate your understanding.
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
culture.
Yeah, Yang. I mean, that's pretty easy.
No, they can't even spell Smith.
Really?
No.
Baker Ford, other Baker unit. Can you bring over his passport?
They basically told me I need to get a new passport.
Okay. What did they say?
They said I'm missing a page.
You're missing a page? Okay. Where are you flying to?
I'm not.
You're not flying?
I told them I want to go to D for arrivals, and American Airlines told me that I can catch Skylink through here, and I realized that was probably a bad idea. I should have taken the yellow.
But do you have a boarding pass or anything? For a flight to catch anyone?
Why
Okay.
would I have one?
I'm just wondering.
It's about
I got an American Airlines tag.
You got a what?
I got a tag from American Airlines. Tag.
What's the tag for?
I don't know. They gave it to me.
They did?
They did, yeah. That's my ID, guys. Let's see my ID. That's my ID.
That's your ID?
Well, that's the only ID I have.
Where do you live at right now?
Plano.
Oh, sorry. Huh?
Can I have your name so I
Yeah,
have to
go
make a
ahead.
report?
Did he show you guys a boarding pass?
No. Like I said, because we have this machine, it's called CAT machine. We only need the passport. We need the ID. So we requested the ID to present that. But I fly all the time. I don't know what's going on with this one. And I was like, okay, let me ask more questions. So, but where's your boarding pass? To see where was he going. And then he's like, oh, well, I don't have a boarding pass. I said, well, you don't have a boarding pass. Because, I'm just going to arrive. So now it changes like from flying all the time to I'm going to arrival. So like
Yeah.
So that's why we didn't request the boarding pass because only we needed the passport to scan it, and then it will pull all his information from his.
And it didn't scan.
Because there's no page.
Oh, it's missing.
There's no page. It's missing the the front page with your picture is.
Yeah, yeah.
It's completely gone.
Oh, it's not there
It's
at
not
all.
there. So let me show you. I don't know. You guys need to look at it.
Is that it right there? Yeah, I see it's missing a page.
It's missing the page with his face on it.
Okay.
He has like a visa there.
I've never seen the address written in it. That could just be me, but if you stick it under the UP, that's not on it.
That's not marking.
That's not.
That's on
We
the
don't
stairs.
recognize that. And then the only thing he has is this,
What's that?
like a visa from
But the numbers on here
Vietnam.
don't match the one on the back.
Okay.
So this is the only thing that I don't know if this is his real name or somebody else's passport.
And
that
that,
he
that
used.
lighting that you put in there, that's not supposed to be there, right?
I mean, it's a visa.
And this
so I
one
don't
is a
know.
visa? Yes, we're not sure.
It's from Vietnam.
Okay.
Well, like these marks,
That's not one.
no, that's not part of the U.S. passport over here at all.
Okay.
It should be nothing.
Should be nothing.
And then this one, yeah, this one should not be.
Shouldn't be
this one
highlighting
should
anything at all.
Nothing there.
Nothing highlight over here.
Do you guys have a normal one I can look at?
If I get another passport.
That would be great.
Copy.
So, same page.
No markings.
No markings.
Look right here at the
And on
same
the front page. Shouldn't be that marking over there. This is a normal passport. This is what we see.
Okay.
And he's missing this page.
And this is a U.S. passport.
US.
Correct.
Same exact one.
Sarge. Sarge. So he presented this up there. He said he flies out all the time, but didn't present a boarding pass to him, but presented this because somebody told me he had to take a Skylink over to see. But
Does he have
it's
it?
missing the first. No, he's saying no. But when you start questioning more and more, you start walking away. So I let him sit. But he is missing the first page.
Okay.
But when you put it underneath the scanner, it has writing all through down here. And we put it up against another one, a normal passport, and didn't have any writing. That's why I called you here. So,
Does he have another form of identification with him?
just what I ran from him on date and date of birth. So he's here to pick up his friend, which is his uncle. Doesn't have any flight information.
Hey, sir, my ride is here. I'm gonna miss it.
You're detained right now.
Okay.
Do you have another form of identification on you?
I've been asked that 10 times, and TSA just took me a photo.
What?
TSA just took me a photo and left.
Wait 1 second here.
History.
You're Vietnamese?
No, my wife is. I married her in 2013. Tells you my whole story.
This is your passport? And I'm gonna find out your real name from the previous time, right?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yang. Then Yang.
So this is not your passport.
No, that's my passport. Those are Vietnamese visas.
I don't even see where's the picture and stuff.
So it's missing his printout.
You obviously haven't been to Vietnam. I can tell from that.
He's just presenting it as a real passport to try and get through the checkpoint.
Yeah, when you shine it on their ID, the pages have writing all the way down in different language. But you get pulled in other customers and it doesn't have anything. Right.
Is there other than the first page? There's no way to determine.
TSA already scanned my barcode.
All right, so the first page is ripped out of this thing,
Correct.
and then it's got.
What's up?
This is Vietnamese, and he's supposed to be Chinese, and this is not his name.
Okay, so that's not okay. We're gonna just have
So, is there a way to determine by scanning this barcode?
You call customs and see if that barcode shows up with anything. That's the only way we would be able to
Can
do
you
it.
call them and see if you can figure out?
Do you have their number?
I can just we can check.
Okay.
That's who it returns to.
So it's not.
No,
How'd you verify that?
this number right here. It's written on there.
That's figured. That's okay. So
And they're not able to get anything off this number. And you're saying these other pages have
writings and
writings in them.
I need you to put everything down, okay?
Huh?
Take the shoulder bag off. Take everything off. Set that down.
Handcuff me?
Just stand up. Alright. So you are under arrest for tampering with government record. So basically fraud.
Funny. Have you ever arrested anyone for fraud? I must be the first one ever.
No.
Happens.
There's a lot of different types of
It
fraud.
happens.
What is this? Am I going to the nice state jail felony, or what is this?
We'll have to figure out what the charge is.
Oh.
It's tampering with the governmental record. We just don't know the level. It's more than likely a felony. So,
You ever my girlfriend did it?
huh?
You ever my girlfriend did it?
You're the one that presented it at the checkpoint.
The incident ended with the passenger being taken into custody following the investigation at the checkpoint. According to authorities, he was later charged with fraud involving the use or possession of identifying information and was issued a criminal trespass warning from the airport. What began as a routine document check quickly turned into a closer examination of the identification presented to TSA personnel.